Industrial engineering focuses on the optimization of complex systems and processes. Those systems are everywhere around us: hospitals and railway stations, airports and banks, schools and factories, stores, entertainment centers, etc. The industrial engineering profession is among the most demanded ones in developed countries. Let's try to understand then what industrial engineers do. Before we cite examples from well-known sayings, it will help to have an idea of what industrial engineers do. The pessimist will probably complain that this glass is half empty. The optimist will probably declare that it is half full. Meanwhile, the engineer will assess and state that the glass is 2 times the size it needs to be. Therefore, the primary mission of industrial engineering is optimization. They investigate, detect, and optimize, relying not so much on their experience or intuition, but instead on the scientific and engineering methods and mathematical calculations. Let's list a few examples of problems that no one can solve better than industrial engineers. At the airport. How to best organize and regulate the flight timetable to ensure their safety and avoid the overcrowding of passengers. What's the optimal number of check-in terminals at different times of the day? How to organize the delivery of luggage so that, irrespective of the layover duration between their flights, transit passengers receive their luggage efficiently. In the medical center. How to create a database in order to reduce the wait time spent on tasks and to improve the quality of customer service. How to redistribute the location of reception areas, operating rooms, first aid stations, and laboratories such that the waiting time for patients is minimized. At the factory. What is the optimal amount of raw material inventory to ensure uninterrupted production? How to minimize the idle time of equipment and workforce. Which factors are more important in improving the product quality and minimizing the number of defective parts? At the College of Science and Engineering of the American University of Armenia, there is a program, the only one in Armenia, which gives the students necessary knowledge and skills to find answers to the above-mentioned and many other similar questions. That master program is called Industrial Engineering and Systems Management. It was mentioned already that the field of activity of industrial engineers are complex systems with their characteristic diverse, complex, and frequently changing problems. To be able to discover and solve them, aside from the core industrial engineering courses, which are engineering statistics, operations research, engineering economics, quality assurance and management, production system analysis and simulation, the future engineers studying in the program are also acquiring expertise in minors in business management, computer-aided design manufacturing, energy, and information technology. This combination of knowledge and skills is a good prerequisite for finding a well-paid and interesting job for the alumni of industrial engineering and systems management. An important component of the program are the educational and research projects run here. 12 European universities are involved in a project funded by the European Union Tempest program. As an outcome of this project at the American University of Armenia, a lab equipped with remote control equipment is accessible via the internet. The equipment can be remotely controlled online and followed worldwide with the help of web cameras. The first pilot projects have already been conducted with engineers from different companies and students from the College of Science and Engineering. In this sense, the goals of the European project are harmonious with the mission of the Industrial Engineering and Systems Management program of the American University of Armenia, to provide necessary engineering knowledge and prepare human resources to apply that knowledge in optimal management of diverse systems. The mission of the Industrial Engineering and Systems Management program of the American University of Armenia is to provide necessary engineering knowledge and prepare human resources to apply that knowledge in optimal management of diverse systems.